There's so much to explore when you're outside. Hi, neighbor. We're going on a nature walk. You can come too. We can walk with my mom or with my dad. Who should we walk with this time?
Tiger-tastic! We can go to Jungle Beach and the woods.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore!
Enjoy your walk together.
There's so much to see at Jungle Beach. Do you see anything we could collect?
What a colorful shell!
Have you ever seen seaweed?
What an interesting rock!
I like shells with tiger stripes. What shells do you like? I think Mom will like this stick.
Off to the woods.
Let's look around and see what we find in the woods. I like this leaf. What colors are the leaves in your neighborhood? Look, Dad, a pine cone.
Ooh, what an interesting leaf. Tiger-tastic pine cone. All these leaves and trees make it nice and shady.
Ooh, a leaf. I think Mom would like this.
Time to go home. Mom will love to see what we found on our walk.
Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my mom. What do you think she'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think she'll really like that. Here you go, Mom. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my dad and with you, neighbor. Do you want to go on another nature walk?
Wonderful. We can go to the bridge and the enchanted garden.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore.
Enjoy your walk together.
I wonder what we're going to find here. Do you see anything we could collect? This rock has moss on it. It feels kind of fuzzy, like me.
Do you know someone who likes flowers? We can't pick all the flowers, but we can pick that one. I think Dad might like that rock. Let's explore the enchanted garden.
There's so much to see in the enchanted garden. What do you see?
We can pick this fruit to bring home. That flower is okay for us to pick. Fruit, delicious.
Do you know someone who likes strawberries? This flower smells good. Have you ever smelled the flower? I can't wait to show Dad what we found. Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my dad. What do you think he'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think he'll really like that. Here you go, Dad. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my mom and with you, neighbor. Do you want to go on another nature walk?